What is the one word for the quality of being showy, extravagant, or elaborate? The correct answer is flamboyance. What is the one word for based on sound reasoning or evidence? The correct answer is tenable. What is the one word for be understanding of? The correct answer is empathize. What is the one word for notation of how many times to multiply a quantity by itself? The correct answer is exponent. What is the one word for noble and generous in spirit? The correct answer is magnanimous. What is the one word for inclined toward or displaying love? The correct answer is amorous. What is the one word for estimate the nature, quality, ability, or significance of? The correct answer is assess. What is the one word for reason with for the purpose of dissuasion? The correct answer is expostulate. What is the one word for reflect deeply on a subject? The correct answer is speculate. What is the one word for make worse or less effective? The correct answer is impair. What is the one word for things that make you comfortable and at ease? The correct answer is amenities. What is the one word for lack of an adequate quantity or number? The correct answer is deficiency. What is the one word for express sorrow or regret about something? The correct answer is bewail. What is the one word for emitting a smell, especially an unpleasant smell? The correct answer is odoriferous. What is the one word for assemble or get together? The correct answer is garner. What is the one word for tending to attract attention, marked by ostentatious display? The correct answer is flamboyant. What is the one word for adroitness in using the hands? The correct answer is dexterity. What is the one word for a person who is rejected from society or home? The correct answer is pariah. What is the one word for change or alter in form, appearance, or nature? The correct answer is transmute. What is the one word for freedom from activity? The correct answer is repose.